Hello and welcome to the OutPower newscast. On today's newscast, we're going to talk about the OutSystems MVPs, the contribution of the community when it comes to online teaching and mentoring, and hence in How-Tos we go over a guide that explains how we can have OutSystems Dynamic Themes. Also, as it is usual, we go over the highlights from the OutSystems community and much more. A new set of people has been awarded with the OutSystems MVP Award. The MVP Award has the objective of recognizing and celebrating the effort of skilled and committed community members. This program has had a consistent growth over the last 4 years, and recently 8 new MVP members have been announced. Well done and congratulations on this achievement. To find more about these MVPs, you can navigate to this page. This week, Stersuage gave us a new update for the new version of the Service Studio for macOS. It seems that we're close to get a functional version of the Service Studio with the macOS Catalina by the second quarter of this year. And that is because at the moment, the proof of concept is being tested. If you wish to find more, you can navigate to the forum post below. OutSystems has made a post where they give a nice shout out for the community members that have been busy and publishing their components on the Forge for the last couple of weeks. If you wish to find out more about these deployments, you can reach the post at the link below. The OutSystems community has always been very active, whether it was in the form of new applications or Forge components, or by helping out on the OutSystems forum. But more recently, OutSystems has noticed that the community is starting to help in a new way, by providing training and mentorship online. Due to this, OutSystems has posted an article where it compiles the available resources, so that we know all the ways that we have available to us to learn OutSystems and grow our skills. In case this article sparked your interest, you can reach the blog post at this page. Next, let's go over to hints in How-Tos. Next, we're going to talk about the guide that explains how we can achieve a web application that changes the color scheme based on the logged-in user. This is an article by community member Luís Santos Monteiro, where he takes us step by step and explains all the necessary details so that we can achieve the desired effect using OutSystems 11. To try to keep it as clean as possible with the least number of intervening technologies, it is only based on CSS to maximize performance and maintainability of the code. The core of this solution is the use of CSS variables for each theme and how to make the values override the main ones. If this guide is of your interest, you can reach it at the link to the blog below. On another quick note, the community member Rui Felix has made available in a forum post a cheat sheet for the OutSystems model naming conventions. It makes use of the information that is provided by the video model naming that is available in the course Designing Applications Using Architecture Framework. This post has the objective of being used as a quick reference cheat and can be found at the following link. Now we'll go over to this week's selection of deployments in the Forge. Talking about the Forge, after going through this week's deployments by the community members, we have the following picks. On our final segment, we're going to talk about this week's idea. This week on the COVID-19 Community Response Program, one idea that seems to stand out was the idea for the application Be Seen. The concept of this application is to help those who struggle with physical or mental health difficulties. Be Seen is a well-being application that uses a traffic light system that notifies a group of individuals that are chosen as your allies. The app allows you to alert simultaneously all of your allies to your well-being. Even if some of them are busy, surely someone from your group will be able to see the alert and respond. If you want to give your feedback or show your support to this idea, you can find it at the following link. One other idea that sparked interest in the community was the idea by the community member Beatriz Silva, where it is proposed that the exception flow in actions could be automatically implemented by the platform by right-clicking the mouse and showing the option for that task. In case you want to support or show your feedback, you can find the idea at this page. And with that, we reach the end of today's edition of the newscast. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us next time for more OutSystems news by OutPower. Have a nice day.